In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to realign text in Google Sheets. First, open your Google Sheets document and select the cells or the range you want to realign. You can click and drag to highlight a block of cells, or click a column or row header if you want to apply the same look across an entire column or row. If you accidentally select the wrong area, simply click anywhere else to clear the selection and try again. Taking a moment to select exactly what you need ensures the change applies only where you intend and keeps your sheet consistent. Next, head to the toolbar at the top and click the Format menu. This is where Google Sheets groups appearance settings, so it's the right place to adjust how your data looks without changing the data itself. Think of formatting as the presentation layer. The information stays the same, but it becomes easier to read and compare at a glance. In the Format menu, hover your cursor over Align. When you pause on Align, a sub-menu appears with alignment choices. We'll focus on horizontal alignment options here, since that's what controls whether your text starts on the left, sits in the middle, or lines up on the right. Choose Left, Center, or Right to apply your preferred text alignment. Left alignment is great for labels and most text entries because it keeps the start of each item lined up. Center alignment is useful for headers or short values that you want to stand out and look balanced. Right alignment is common for numbers you want to compare by their last digit, or for IDs and codes that read more cleanly when aligned to the right. Click the option that best fits your content and the style of your sheet. The selected cells will update immediately to reflect your new choice, so you can confirm the look right away. If it doesn't feel right, you can switch to another alignment just as quickly, and you can always use Undo if you want to revert. Remember, this change affects only the appearance, not the underlying values or formulas. To finish, adjust column widths if needed, so the alignment looks visually balanced. Move your cursor to the line between column letters until you see the resize icon, then click and drag to widen or narrow the column. If your text looks cramped or too spread out, a small adjustment can make the alignment cleaner and easier to read. Double-clicking the boundary will auto-fit the column to the longest content in that column, which often pairs nicely with your chosen alignment. Take a quick scan down the sheet to make sure similar columns are aligned consistently for a polished, professional result. That's all it takes. Open the sheet, pick your cells, choose the alignment from Format, and fine-tune the column widths for a clean, easy-to-read layout.